Hey, Rue, it's Bobadier. Happy 60th birthday. I have some great memories of you, as you know, partner. Number one was when after Scott and Mark went off to Michigan, we never saw them again. Then Jim and I and Maris were so excited the last week of August, your freshman year, you went off and we're like, ooh, we're never going to see him again. Oh, the following weekend, he's back! It was our worst nightmare. The other good memory I have of you, Reed, is the game of Risk. And by the way, I've got the latest version of it, so we are going to relive this at Thanksgiving. But we're going to need, and poor Mr. Ford, he passed away, we have Mrs. Ford, she'll protect me. And Reed, I've been saving the biggest booger in the world to put on your game piece. Other than that, Reed, I have another good thing. Hold on a minute. You helped me out with this, so I'm going to look like Napoleon when I'm playing Risk. I've got all these great blue coat badges, and we are going to kick butt. Take care, Rude. Happy 60th. Look forward to seeing you.